The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charlotte Police Department. Residents of the city of Charlotte, North Carolina, lock all of your doors immediately. An extremely dangerous individual was last seen roaming around downtown Charlotte and was firing upon innocent civilians, abducting young children, and breaking into people's homes. The identity of this man is unknown at this time, but he is described to be close to 6 feet tall, and was last seen wearing a white polo shirt, a black trench coat, black dress pants, and black dress shoes. If you see this man, dial 911 immediately. Do not approach him, as he is considered armed and dangerous. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charlotte Police Department. This is an update to the previous alert that was issued 40 minutes ago. The police have now identified the man, and his name is Jack Rogers. Jack is a white male, 34 years old, and was last seen wearing a white polo shirt, a black trench coat, black dress pants, and black dress shoes. He also has a notable criminal history. He is currently detonating bombs all over the city of Charlotte, primarily in buildings and cars. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charlotte Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Jack Rogers, the man responsible for chaos in downtown Charlotte, entered the airport, fired on innocent civilians, and took many people hostage. His demands are not known at this time, but it is known there are 300 hostages at this current time. As a precaution, you are advised to stay away from Charlotte Douglas International Airport at this time. The airport is closed until this situation is over. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. At 12:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the international terminal at the Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport exploded, causing significant damage there. The entire terminal is almost completely in ruins. It is unknown whether or not it was an accident or an attack, but residents are advised to stay away from Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport until firefighters are able to put the fires out. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. Residents of the city of Atlanta, Georgia, lock all of your doors immediately. Multiple dangerous individuals were spotted in downtown Atlanta, firing on innocent civilians, abducting young children, and breaking into people's homes. These individuals can be described as a group of four, all wearing black trench coats, white shirts, black dress pants, and black dress shoes. It is also speculated that these individuals were involved in the explosions at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Therefore, all residents of the city of Atlanta are advised to shelter in place. Lock all windows and doors. Turn off heating and air conditioning systems. If any one of these individuals break in your home, use armed protection by all means. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at the CNN headquarters. 4 terrorists entered the CNN headquarters, opened fire on innocent civilians, and took many people hostage. It is reported there are 500 people being taken hostage. It is also confirmed that these people were involved in the attacks at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, and has connections with Jack Rogers, a 34-year-old white male who was responsible for chaos in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you see any of these individuals, run away as fast as you can. If you do not, they will find you, and you will be taken away. Police currently do not know their demands. All residents within a 1-mile radius of the CNN headquarters should shelter in place. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. Jack Rogers, now confirmed to be the mastermind behind the attacks at Charlotte, North Carolina, and Atlanta, Georgia, has arrived at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport and has threatened to detonate a nuclear bomb in Atlanta, Georgia. Although the presence of a nuclear bomb cannot be confirmed at this time, all residents within a 500-mile radius of Atlanta should seek a fallout shelter now. Take at least 14 days of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in your shelter. A bomb squad has been called in to find and defuse the bomb. In addition, the president has been informed about the situation, and will be speaking on all news stations shortly. Please stand by for this message. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Jack Rogers hacked into a missile control center, launching 5 extremely powerful nuclear warheads. The following cities will be impacted within the next 15 to 20 minutes: New York City, New York, Houston, Texas, Los Angeles, California, Jacksonville, Florida, and Washington, D.C. All residents within 500 miles of these cities should seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks or explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will lead to certain death. Take at least 14 days of food, water, clothing, and medical supplies. In addition, Jack Rogers and his accomplices have escaped, and their current location is unknown. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.